Guys, Happy New Year. I hope you managed to smash every single one of your goals in 2019 and I wish you all the love and happiness in the world this year. Now, all of you have been really enjoying our videos and so I thought I'd sit down and talk about my favorites. These are things that we've been using over the past couple of months, weeks. Some of them I've been using for weeks, some of them for much longer, but it's stuff that I love and stuff that comes along on our travels wherever we go. Let's get into the video. Every single time I upload an Instagram story, I think the majority of the questions, irrespective of what the story is about, the majority of the questions are about what lipstick I'm wearing. So I just wanted to share two lipsticks that I've been wearing non-stop for the past month or so, and the first one is by Maybelline. It's called Touch of Spice. It's from their Dreamy Mattes collection, I think, and this is a perfect nude color if you're of my skin tone or even a bit darker than me, or if you have olive tones in your skin. It's a mix of brown and pink and nude and mauve, so I can't really describe this color, but it's amazing. I'll just try and show you what it looks like. It's really nice. Check this out. And the second thing is actually my first lipstick from Estee Lauder. As you know, I'm a big fan of their makeup and their skincare. I've been using the Double Wear foundation and their bronzer for years, but this is the first lipstick that I've used by them and it's so good. I've been using it non-stop. In fact, I'm wearing it right now as well. It's called Comet Kiss. Think of it basically as a really luxurious tinted lip balm which has some shimmer and glimmer particles in it, and that makes the lips look really plump, but it has none of the goopiness and the stickiness of a gloss, and that's what I really like because it's perfect for long days of traveling. It's not like your hair is getting stuck on your lips just because you're wearing a lip gloss. So it looks like you're wearing a lip gloss, but it's actually a balm. And it's not very pigmented, so I'd suggest wearing a lip tint underneath and then just putting it on top, but it works well by itself as well. Let me show you what it looks like. It lends this really plump looking shine to your lips that I really love, and I've been wearing it non-stop. My next favorite is not really a thing, it's more a category, and you can see it right here. It's beanies. If you've been following us on Instagram, you'd know I love beanies, but it's come to a point where it's becoming a problem, you guys. Look at this. But we get a lot of questions about where I buy my beanies from. I love this red one right now, and this is the other one that I really enjoy wearing. But they're all from all over the high street, so if you pop into H&M or Forever 21, ASOS, any of these stores, whichever is most convenient for you, you'll always find beanies. But I especially love the ones with pom-poms, and I wear them non-stop during winter months. A lot of you ask us about our luggage and how we pack and things, so leave us a comment below if you'd like to see how we pack our luggage. Maybe we could do a detailed video on it. Ever since we've started Bruised Passports, I've always said don't ever invest in a luggage that looks fashionable or pretty. Always invest in good quality luggage, and that's what we always do. But our current suitcases, they're from Samsonite, are looking a bit battered and bruised at the minute because we've had them for over 5 years and they've been places. I'm going to insert a little clip of what our current suitcases actually look like, and we continue to use them, but a couple of weeks ago we upgraded to the Samsonite Polygon suitcase. And I chose the pink color because we've had these blue ones for way too long, but both of us have really been enjoying using this particular suitcase because it has this unique feature. So there is a break on the suitcase. Now, have you ever faced a situation where you picked up at the airport and your suitcase is at the back of the van and it keeps going from one end of the van to the other because of the 4 wheels? This particular suitcase has a little brake that you can basically turn on and off whenever you need it, and so it doesn't slip and slide like that. So you turn it on when you want it to stay stationary, and then you turn it off when you want to wheel it. Of course, it's light and well designed and all of that, but it's this brake feature that we've really been enjoying using, especially when we're picked up at airports and also on ramps and things like that. So something to keep a lookout for whenever you purchase your next luggage. No favorites video of mine would be complete without a couple of skincare recommendations, and this month I've really been enjoying using the mango seed range from the Face Shop. Now, the story behind this is that the Face Shop's Therapy Night Cream is actually one of my all-time favorites. It's one of the standout products from their kind of entire range of products. I have it right here and I'm carrying that as well on this trip. I've purchased this time and time again. I think this is my third bottle. I get through it really quickly because I like to slather a really thick layer of night cream on my face, especially when we are traveling, because my skin tends to get really dry. But I'm just so bored of using it at this time. Does that happen to you as well? If you keep using the same product again and again, you don't want to repurchase it. You know it works for you, but you don't want to repurchase it. So when this came in, I started using it, and so far so good. It's intensively nourishing, and that I really like that about it. And it's also suitable for sensitive skin and acne prone skin and all of that. So if you have skin that's sensitive but still gets really dry during winter months, then try using this. And I'm actually going to do a quick giveaway of the mango seed products. I've ordered a bunch of them, and as soon as I get the delivery, I'll try and post it to one of you. So make sure you follow us on Instagram. That's where I'll hold the giveaway. But other than that, the mango seed range is currently on a discount, I think, at Nykaa, so you can purchase it there if you want to. And you can follow us on Instagram to participate in the giveaway. The next favorite is actually a surprise because it's coming from me, and vid is not even part of this video, but it's a camera. It's the Canon EOS M50, and why I'm including this is because it was a surprise present from me to Vid. He's been wanting this for ages for vlogging and as a secondary camera, as it were, because it's really light. It's a mirrorless camera, and it's ideal for entry-level photographs and things like that, and also ideal if you vlog because it has a flip screen. And he's been procrastinating about it for so long. So just before New Year, I thought, why don't I bite the bullet and buy this for him? And it was quite cool to see his reaction because he wasn't expecting it at all. But I just wanted to include this in this particular video because it's actually a really great camera if you're getting into photography or if you're getting into vlogging, because it's a good all-in-one. Of course, if you're at an advanced level of photography, then this is not great for photography for you. But if you want something that has a bit of photography, bit of vlogging, all of that rolled into one, then this is a good starter camera, as it were. Having said that, Vid is planning to record a video on which camera is right for you because his current bag is a mishmash of cameras and lenses and different brands, and he really always says that you don't need expensive equipment to click good quality photographs. So we'll be sharing that video soon, but till then, this is definitely one of my favorites. Next up, a couple of Netflix favorites. Now, as you know, I have a copious appetite for Netflix, and every time we're in a flight or we have some free time, I'm always downloading stuff on Amazon Prime or Netflix or something and watching series, films and all of that. But this month I watched a lot of mediocre series as well. I'm currently watching You, and I'm not sure yet how I feel about it. Personally, I enjoy a lot of dark, grim cinema. I love surreal series and stuff like that. But this month I've really enjoyed two movies, and both of them are set in France. The first one is a surreal take on like modern day relationships, and it's called Nothing to Hide. It's a fun film, so I won't spoil it by giving any nuggets of information about the plot and things like that. You can watch it on Netflix, but make sure you watch it in the original French language with English subtitles. The other film is one that I watched years and years ago, but now it's on Netflix. I saw it the other day and I re-watched it. It's called Perfume. It's a beautiful multi-sensory experience, I'd say, but not for ones who don't like grim cinema. So watch it if you like that kind of thing, and tell me if you enjoyed it as well. And if you have any recommendations of TV series or films or anything, please leave them down below because I'll make sure I download them on my next flight and then watch them. Alright, so that wraps up the favorites for the month of January. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please let me know if you try any of these things or if these things are already part of your favorites as well. And do leave your own recommendations in the comments below because I love trying stuff that you guys recommend. In fact, the first lipstick that I included, Touch of Spice, was recommended by one of you, and now I wear it every day. Bye!